So I'm just going to give them a couple minutes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the boxes up. I have just a couple pieces to add to the whole set, and then it'll be done.
Wow.
Let's see if I can get that red tape off. Yep. So they're doing all right. If you guys want to come a little bit closer, you can see the bees kind of hanging out from the top.
Only a few per minute, I'm surprised.
Yeah, sometimes it takes, each hive is different. Sometimes you open it up and they start shooting out. These guys are a little bit more relaxed.
I'm sure you prefer the more relaxed.
Yeah, you prefer the more relaxed. It's also earlier in the day, so they're not quite amped up and going yet. I'll be doing it all day today.
Yeah. Yeah. Not so much. Did you say you're taking the lids off?
I'm going to be taking the lids off, and actually I'll be taking the whole box off.
Right, okay.
And adding these underneath.
Right.
And what these are, just gives them a little bit more room to kind of hang out. If it gets hot, then they can hang out here, other than what they would usually do is they would just hang out at the front, do what we call bearding. So they just create a beard at the front of the hive, essentially, just hang on to each other. That's to make more room in the front of the, or inside the hive, and so they can ventilate it.
So on the hot days, you should look for bees.
Yeah. But on a nice day like today, generally you won't see that, because most of the hive, or not most of it, but about 20-25% of the bees are going to be out foraging in pollen and nectar and everything like that.
Unfortunately, I have to go.
Okay.
For sure. So I'm going to walk all the way around the edge. Thank you very much.
No worries. Very nice to meet you.
Thanks for the tip, Scott.
Same time I show you which about the